How to fix Wizz app not working. The very first thing you need to make sure that your application Wizz is up to date. If your application is not up to date, then it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In that case, simply update your application and you'll be good to go. Now the next thing you can do is head over to your settings. Move into apps. Head over to the application Wizz. Tap on storage and cache. Right here you need to clear the cache and the storage of this application. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all of the unwanted bugs from the application, and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing. But if you are still facing this issue, then the next thing you want to do is go back and tap on force stop. And you can also try uninstalling the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will definitely fix the issue that you have been facing on Wizz application. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.